Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion World. Dear viewers, I hope you all are fine and doing well and enjoying the winter seasons and best condition of health. Dear viewers, today in this video, I will show you the best collection of high heel sandals for ladies. Introducing our newest collection of stiletto high heels sandals are designed to elevate your look and confidence. Every day is a fashion show and the word is every. Your runway, these shoes is always wearing delicious female feet and ultimate high heels destinations. Heels that wow. High heels pump collections for ladies 2024. High heels can instantly elevate any outfit. Pair them with the little black dresses for brown, red, and classic and sophisticated look, and wear them with jeans and blouse for chic and stylish ensembles. The possibility of endless. Remember, it's essential to take care of your feet and wearing high heels. Stretching exercise, foot massages, and taking break from wearing heels can help prevent discomfort and foot problem in the long runs. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to high heels for women. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for my fashion world tip and inspiration. Thanks for your watching and see all of you next video. Goodbye dear friends. Hello friends.